This is a 2009 Infiniti G37. This car has a 7-speed automatic transmission, a 3.7-liter V6, plus having just come off lease, this Infiniti is in like-new condition. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, heated seats, XM satellite radio, and a rollover protection system. The following features are also included: a rear-view camera, a power retractable hardtop, aluminum wheels, a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, xenon headlights, a passenger side vanity mirror, LED taillights, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and this vehicle has less than 16,000 miles. This Infiniti has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.